Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn fraction. As you can see in the image, the apple cut into two pieces. So that is half. We can say half. Now here, delicious and yummy pizza, right? So this is also we can take as an example. So here pizza cut into 6 pieces. If you take one piece or one slice, then it will be represented as 1 by 6. Now here fraction words. So as it is for grade 2, okay. So in grade 2 you are going to see in fraction one whole unit. See, 1 means total. Then 1 half, like I said, the apple is cut into 2 pieces, that is half. 1/3, 3, 1 by 3, 1/3.
Fraction is a part of a whole number. It's a way to split up a number into equal parts. If this is a circle and we split it into 4 parts, and if we color it into one part, then it is 1 by 4.
As my son said with an example, so here you can see the pictures below to see how the whole of a circle can be broken up into different fractions. So the first circle is as a whole, so we call this as 1, and the second one is splitted into 2 parts. That's why the shaded part is taken as 1, and the circle is divided into 2. That's why the down part we called is denominator. Okay, 1 by 2. See, it's an example. Okay, this kind of questions you will get in your exam. So here it's written fraction. See, fraction, numerator and denominator. So this is a triangle. So triangle is splitted or divided into 2 parts. That's why one part is shaded. So numerator is 1, denominator. Denominator means how many parts it is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. So that's why denominator is 2. Here it's a circle and it is divided or splitted into 3 parts. So 3 parts means 3 you are going to write it denominator, and 2 parts are shaded or colored, that's why that is numerator. And this circle, there are 4 parts but 3 parts are shaded. So how you are going to represent 3 by 4 or 3 upon 4, because 3 parts are shaded, 1, 2, 3, and the circle is divided into 4 parts. Okay, I hope you understand how to represent numerator and denominator. Okay, now coming to, you are going to solve this. Okay, one is already been solved and another 3 you are going to solve and comment me. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you, as term 2 exam is in the corner, so you are going to practice and read. Okay, thank you for watching.